Hello, everyone. I am John Howe, financial planner here at Generation Capital Management, back with another episode of John's Top Tips. I want to help you out today by answering a question that I rarely get asked, but I know a ton of people wonder, and that's how in the world do financial advisors get paid? It's really straightforward, and it's important to know how the financial professional with whom you're working makes money from your relationship with them. So let's dive right in. The first way that an advisor can get paid is through commissions. This is how the financial services industry kind of started out. Stockbrokers would make recommendations to their clients about what securities they should buy, and then when their clients bought those securities, the advisor would be paid on the commission structure for that particular security. Now, here's a really scary thought. Some securities actually paid a higher commission than others, so there may be an incentive for advisors to recommend certain products over others. That might still be the case today. And commissions are still the primary source of income for some professions like life insurance agents and some other financial services professionals. So you definitely want to make sure that you're having the conversation with whomever you're working to see how they're getting paid. Now, the investment services industry does still use some commission as well. But here at Generation Capital Management, we don't take commissions on anything. And this allows us to avoid some pretty dicey conflicts of interest. So just bear that in mind. Another way, I should say, that financial advisors can be paid is through what's called a management fee. As the financial services industries moved away from offering primarily brokerage services and more towards financial advice, charging a fee on assets under management, or what we call AUM, has become increasingly popular. And what this usually means is that each calendar year, an advisor kind of takes a snapshot of the value of the accounts that you have working with them, and then charges a percent of those assets that they manage for you as their compensation. So that percent can usually be anywhere between about 2.5% all the way down to about 0.25%. That depends a lot on your relationship with the advisor, the type of work that they're doing for you, and actually the size of the assets that they're managing for you. So again, that's another way that your advisors are potentially being paid. And the third way that advisors are being paid is through what we call fee for service. This is a little bit newer than the previous two, but the idea is that you pay for a particular service, and this is usually a predetermined service. You and the advisor usually have a discussion about it in advance. And it's particularly interesting for clients who need financial planning help, but don't necessarily have the money to invest with a financial advisor under that AUM or that assets under management model. So the fee for service program kind of ensures that the client's getting exceptional financial service, and the planner's time is being effectively compensated from a business standpoint, so that they can continue to provide that service to their clients. Here at Generation Capital Management, we make our financial planning service available on a fee for service basis. Our goal for that is to make it as affordable for you as possible. If you want some more info on this, we actually wrote a guide on how to choose a financial advisor, and some of these details are actually included in that document, and it gives you also some other insights for you to make sure that you consider when you're selecting the financial professional for you to work with. You can go to our website, check out the resources tab, and you can look for our free guide there. Our website is gencapmgmt.com. You can feel free to poke around. Be sure to reach out to us. And again, I hope that you found this interesting, a little bit enlightening. My name is John Howe. I am the financial planner here at Generation Capital Management, and this was John's Top Tips.